Okay, we're in Low Lim Ieok Road, and we're just kind of in this interesting spot. It's kind of late at night, but the architecture in this area is pretty interesting. What we're going to be doing is just showing you the skyline. I'm not going to walk in this particular video because I don't think I can get it very well, but I am going to walk around this little circle spot and just kind of try to get a good idea of the housing. And I'm going to back off a little bit too so we can get better view of what that looks like. So stay tuned while we look at Estrada, Low Lim, Ieok from up above. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera real slow, but this is going to be our focus road there, and then you can see these buildings over here. I'm going to walk over there, and then we're going to try to get it from a different point of view. But it's kind of a beautiful spot, especially at nighttime. And just to kind of give you some references, this actually turns into a separate road called Sage 10K Road, and that goes up in a hill, and that road goes up in a big circle. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to slowly walk across over there. We're going to walk kind of slowly, and then I'm going to try to get a view from that direction. So let's just kind of go down that way. And actually you can see down below all these apartments. This is all Taipa, by the way. And I'm just going to try to move the camera as slow as possible, and then we're going to get a really nice view from over here. And then this is actually the other street sign too, which just references this. So I am going to go across, and we're going to take a look like this. Yeah, we just have this really beautiful skyline right here. Just all these tall buildings. It must be like, I don't know, this one might be like 30 stories, 20 stories, and they go way down below as well. We're up on a hill right now, so if you can see the skyline right here, you can see that we kind of have all these plants and all kinds of stuff in there. So that goes, if you, down there's like Taipa Grand Mall, Taipa Grand Mall is down in that direction. That's Yoho Towers, the one kind of in the forefront there. And then the ones below are around Taipa Central Park. So you just have this wall of them. And then you have this one isolated house right here. And that one car just went in there. It's kind of interesting that they have that property. And then this one is a very tall building. And that's actually covers the views from almost the entire mountain. It's kind of incredible, actually. And then you have this, all of these right here. The streetlights are kind of blocking it a little bit, blocking the beauty of it. But you know, you're also surrounded by this wall as well, and it's kind of cool architecture if you see it in the daytime. At the bottom I'm gonna link it to the last time I was on the street, and you can see it in the daytime because there's some like a bridge between the buildings that are up there that you can't see at nighttime. Some kind of nice balconies as well. Okay. So yeah, really kind of cool. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna walk this way and try to give you a little bit of a different viewpoint of things. And I'm basically just going to walk like that, try to give you a view of all the stuff at nighttime, including these trees, these buildings, as we get past that streetlight area. I'm just going to kind of come like this so you can just see. This goes up the other street here, but it's just a wall of apartments that go all the way up. So now you can see all those as well. Okay. Really nice. So I don't know how interesting that'll look at nighttime. I don't know if the lighting is very good or not. But it's pretty impressive when you're in the spot and you're taking in the view itself. And that just goes all the way down our Target Street. Go down that one. Okay, another little slice of Macau up on Taipa, kind of up on a hill. I think it's called Taipa Pequeño. This pretty good hill right here. So a really nice view at nighttime. So, alright. And if you go down that way, there's actually a, you know what? I think we're still on our target street right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk down, and I might as well just show you this little bridge right there. There's a bridge. So we'll just do like a slight walking one down our, this is our target street down this way, and then up goes the other way. So I believe this is still the same name. And what you're gonna see over here is this bridge, and I'm gonna try to get a view from there. And then I can also show you this tall building that's to the right here. I'll be able to share what that looks like as well from the from a closer angle. So I'm kind of tempted to cross the street, but we're gonna wait till this next car goes by. You got speed bumps right here. I think they slow people down because people do cross in this area, because if you live up in this area, then the best way to go down is through this little elevator here. So let's go across here. So yeah, we got the speed bumps just to slow people down, and now you can get across properly. And now we're kind of right up on top of our tall building there. Street light kind of limits the lighting a bit. But what I'm gonna do in a minute is I'm gonna come around. It's kind of cool. I was just kind of noticing this building right here. They put that little orange light around the corner, and it makes a big difference. And now you can see that we're up on a hill. So you can actually take the stairs all the way down, or you can take the elevator all the way down. And then you can see this is a street that's right behind us. We're going to overlook that in a minute. This is the street we were on, the arrow, the one that we're on. And then this one goes down below if we take the elevator down to the main street. So we're just going to look down Viseu Street. And then you have all this wall of apartments. So I'm just going to try to find a good angle. And you can also see another angle over here too, to the right. But I'm going to do the left one first. And now you can overlook Viseu Street. So you can see the street all the way down below. You can see rooftops up above. So it's kind of a nice little look, all these apartments. That's where we're just coming from. Then up here is that tall building that we can see from up on the hill. And then we could go down, so that other street referenced that Oliveira y something else is right over there. That's also a jockey club. There's a station right there to the train. So if you're up here in these tall spots, you can actually come and take the elevator right here, or the stairs, and go all the way down. So kind of interesting. Okay. Then you can also see our apartments up in the distance that line our road as well. They look pretty cool. Okay. So I hope you like that one. Just another little slice of Macau. Something a little bit different, a little bit of a nighttime one. And there you go. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la posibilidad.